Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and another VEVOR product. This time it's a folding wagon cart, and this is the way it will come out of the box, folded up just like this, and you get one accessory, a bungee cord, which is going to secure this all the way around the top part to keep it from coming out. So this is good to have, and we'll see the application of the bungee cord. But let me point out a few things while it's in this position. First, you get two of these 5-inch wheels that are not swivel. They're the back wheels, if you want to say it, on the opposite side of the handle. On the handle side, you have swivels so you can guide the cart around. You could pull it across grass and sand, and it should do well. You get a adjustable handle, and this is in the stored position. Here's a little catch that holds it, and the handle is all the way down. The handle will come out to a degree. Twist this up, and it pops out of that side, and then pull it on up. One of the things you'll see, and yours may be aligned a little better, but this is off a little bit. So in order to get it to go in here, you have to pull it over just a little and catch that one in, and then it'll snap. So look at that and see, trying to do it that way it will guide down, but pulling it out is like that, and push over a little bit if the space is like that. That will help you with getting the handle in easily. But let's just look at the handle, and right here is the lock that locks it in this stored position. When you move this lever over, it takes the cleaning action loose, and then this will come. I'm holding on to it. It really moves out smoothly, and then you can adjust it at the height you particularly want. If you want it all the way, then you pull it and it's locked in position, and then we'll put it back in the stored position right there. Now here's another feature, and I want to point something out. This is for water bottles or drinks of any kind, but you see you can't really keep the water bottle in there in the stored position. It wants to collapse there. So when the wagon is open, then you can store your drinks in there. Just want to point that out. And let's see, the other side has a storage pouch, and that is right here. Is a storage pouch that you could put things in there, and it's open all the way across. Also, you have this liner can completely be taken out. On the other side is another one that catches to the frame. So you can remove the liner if you needed to clean it after a period of time if it gets soiled. It's sitting there, but the wheels you see that it's sitting on are kind of turned, so it will just sit there. But if you turn it around like this, those wheels are going to want to roll, so keep that in mind. And now we're going to deploy this, and there's no bungee cord around holding it together. So what you do is grab this side and the handle, and you just open it up just like that. And then you push down on this side. Now there's little pockets here on that side and this side that go over, and that supports the weight also and pushes down on the edges. So that's important right there. And they will come off when you fold it up. This strap right here is what allows you to store the wagon when you're done with it for the day. But before you can use this, you've got to turn it up and secure the bottom. Let's turn it over and see that. Is right here, and I'm going to turn it right here so you can see it. I'm going to go upside down with it, and you see how this moves, and you don't want to go around this with this strap. there's Velcro on either side, and the Velcro will stick together like that. But you don't want to put it over this. You want to wrap this around like this, and you go around twice like that. I'm sorry. You want to go around the other way so that the Velcro is sticking out. Same way with this one. And go around there. And then you can put the two together like this, tight. There. And now this will help to pull this part up. So you need that secured, and that'll do the job right there. But don't put it around this. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back, push this down, have that way. And now when you're finished with it and you want to fold it back up and put it in the car, or take it from the beach to the car, pull this up like this and just push it together. And then once it's together, see, these come off of the edge, but you'll put them right back on. Then with your bungee cord, this works every time. With the handle in this position, take one end here, go all the way around this side, come around this way, around the handle, and then go back in and connect to that side. So they're both connected right there. And then you can pick this up and carry it wherever you need, or you can, before, pull this out, release the handle, pull this up, then lock the handle back, push it back in place like that, and then you can pull it this way or you can pull it this way. Folks, I think the cart is going to be really nice, and it may be the answer for your storage needs when you're out and about. All right, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.